When I have work na, I will work there one day. Yes. I will replace
Actually,
mommy. I will go to her to her hospital and I will be the one to work. Yes. Yeah. After 5 years, it will take a while, but it will be worth it. Yeah.
what do you want to be when you grow up?
Just like mommy, Radtech. Yes, I am taking Radtech right now. Like in our school, I am learning about Radtech.
Oh.
That's why I
When
will
when
follow
you
mommy.
will have school, when you will have when you will have school from college,
August 17. It's my birthday in August 17.
August 17th.
Yeah,
So
August
it mean
17.
I have to be ready to make a message. I didn't
Yes,
I didn't my start of school is August 2.
yes. So early pero okay lang. Our classes start on the exact day of my birthday.
Good. Who's your classmate?
Many. I have many classmates. We are 45 in one class. Yes, we
Wow.
are many. And I have a lot of good friends. There, Gab,
Who's your good friends?
okay? Gab, Ashley, Ray, Francis, Denise, um, Yowin. Okay. Yun yung friends ko. Si Tom. Yun. I have many friends.
My turn.
Okay, who is your friends?
From grade 1? From
Yes.
grade 1? Okay. Kyra, uh, Gabrielle or Gabby.
Oh, we have the same friend, name. I also have a friend
No,
named Gab.
she's in grade 1. She's in grade 1. It's different. It's different face, okay?
Yeah. Is he a boy or a girl?
I forgot the others.
Who is your favorite friend?
Um, my most favorite friend,
Yes.
the main character is Yana.
Why? Why do you say so?
But she's in Philippines right now. But I don't know when she will go home. I forgot when.
Yeah. Maybe next week, next or before classes, you will
It's
see her
Patty's
again.
turn.
Yeah.
It's no, she will. Me and Yana will having the same class. We're different class today.
Why?
When I am in Fusion and she's in the other school because I
Oh,
am in Fusion while she is in the other one.
he will transfer.
Yeah, because Johan didn't go to grade 1, so that's why they're transferred class.
Johan, is it her sibling?
Oh, it's Yana's sibling. She got two siblings.
Oh.
Yasmin, I mean Yasmin
Yes.
and Johan. I almost make a middle finger. Oh my gosh.
I no no.
Yeah, I know. I
Yes.
just accidentally do like this, so I just close my hand
Yes.
again.
Okay.
I'll tuk tuk. I'll tuk tuk for a while. Wait.
Yes. Okay. Very good. How about Kathy? Who are Kathy's friends?
Huh?
Who are Kathy's friends?
Go tell it. I don't know friends, but Cassie will tell it to you. Go.
Okay.
Who's your friend? Come on.
Who are your friends?
She is she is I'll give me for me and then I'll tell you. That's it?
Aliyah?
It's Aliyah and Akiva. You know who they are?
No.
They look like they are makulit. Um,
Makulit.
yeah, yeah, but I don't know why Cassie's friends with the makulit.
Oh. Why? Why are they makulit?
Uh, Aliyah, what Aliyah do? Cassie don't know. Cassie don't know. We forgot because it's a long day.
Yeah. It's okay. But they are kind, right? They are not bad.
Sometimes Aliyah just when it's the party, Aliyah just fight with Akiva. She's angry to Akiva.
Why? Maybe they have disagreement.
I don't know what happened. No, because Akiva just broke the. No, I mean Aliyah just broke the tower.
Tower?
No, yeah, because they are making a castle, and then Aliyah just messed it. No, Akiva. No,
Oh.
Aliyah. Hey.
Huwag mag-fight. Who is Cassie's favorite friend?
Who's your favorite friend? Aliyah. Because that's your mom. I know. I'm gonna tell it. Bye. No, it's Arya. Hi. I'm gonna tell two of them.
I don't fight.
It's Arya. Arya.
Okay.
Yeah,
Arya isn't a
Arya.
character.
I also have a classmate, Arya.
Arya? Oh.
Arya's cat. Yeah, and then also there's another Amira. It's in Cassie's classmate, right?
Um, oh.
Yeah, there
Different
are
spelling?
there yeah different spelling. There's three Amira in the fusion. Amira in grade two, Amira in prep, Amira.
So many Amira. So you have so many kapangalan, but your spelling is unique. Amira.
Yeah, Amira. Amira is a Arabic name. The English
Yeah.
name is Princess.
Yes. Do you know when you were a baby, when I asked mommy, I asked what your nickname was, and she said Princess. And I thought it was weird because your name is Amira, but why is the nickname
No,
Princess?
your nickname is Mira, not a princess. It's Mira. But
Oh,
but why mommy didn't tell my real nickname? It's Mira.
because you were only a baby pa nun. Still small. And right now you
So
are big. Mommy said na your name is or nickname is Mira,
yeah,
right?
from Hunchik.
Yeah, Mira.
But it's not the real spelling. Remove A and then remove A in my name. So
Yeah.
it will turn Mira like that.
Oh, okay.
My ice cream is almost literally melting because I keep talking.
You are ano, you are talkative, but it's ice cream.
Yeah. Is is Kuya Dom sleeping right now again?
Yeah, he is sleeping. Um,
Wow.
he is awake, ano, nung morning, he was awake. But right now, he is sleeping. He loves to sleep because he also sleeps late. And their classes will resume on August 4. That's why.
What grade is Kuya Dom?
He is second year college. He is
How
already in
about you
college.
first? Oh, what is her dream job? What is he?
His dream job.
Yeah.
He is now studying
Why
teacher
she?
education.
He.
Yeah,
He.
I said he.
Okay.
Yeah, he is studying education because he wants to become a teacher in mathematics. Yeah, Kuya Dom
That's
loves
only for
ano.
girls. That's only for
No,
girls.
teacher can
Yeah,
be
I'm just joking.
any.
I'm just joking.
Yes,
There's also boys teacher.
yes. Kuya Dom loves math. He is good at math.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like
Then
math.
what is your dream job?
Just like mommy,
I know.
RegTech.
Yeah, I know. I know. I think renting is you have to learn science,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. There are a lot of science, physics,
My
and
my favorite my favorite my favorite dream job to be a doctor and gymnast, but I don't want science. I like math.
you can be a doctor and gymnast, even if you don't like science.
Yeah.
Doctor.
When when I
Why do
was
you
not
want to be a
calling you
doctor?
because I want to help sick people. Because when I'm still little, I want to be a doctor. And then also Cassie, when she is still little, she wants to be a doctor. So
Very,
gonna show I'm gonna show Cassie's phone later because
yeah,
there's a picture of the doctor, right, Cassie? I have a doctor toy.
yeah.
Cassie is literally watching Royalty Family right now. Look.
Oh, a cute baby. Oh,
The cute baby is Milan. She's
Milan.
bold. Oh. The baby one is Milan.
Milan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I see the title right now? Title.
Title.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see
Okay. Here
about
it is.
Amira and Cassandra. Amira and Cassandra.
Yes. Amira and Cassie. Okay, here are the the title.
Can I have cup also? Amir, your favorite.
Yes.
Aww, aww,
Favorite.
so cute.
Yes. Look
Can you make
oh.
it pink? Can you make it pink?
Pink. Yes, I
Yeah.
can.
Can
Hold
you
on.
put that right now? I want pink.
I don't
Kasi
know if
naman.
it. Yeah, you can. Oh, the bad. It is pink na. Oh, pink.
Wow.
Oh, very nice, no? Oh,
Yeah, I like pink. It looks like our diary.
you have diary.
Yeah.
Very nice. It's
Sometimes
nice.
we make it from out of paper. Mhm.
Yes.
When I was in grade one, I was making like my GMRC.
GMRC.
Well, did you know GMRC?
Yes. Good moral and right conduct. Diba?
Yes. What happened? No, oh, from there. Here, take the water there. See, there's a lot of water here.
Hello, Cassie.
Hi. Can you delete also Roblox so we will be the same, please?
Roblox.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to delete right now. If there's somebody who is saying there is a mission, because when I see in Daddy's phone, I just see um um the little boy just follow the mission, and then he follow the mission, and then after that something happens, and then
Yeah. Roblox is bad
so why you're not deleting right now today?
because I used to play it. Right now, I will delete it na. Oh, I will delete it.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you po. Mm. But look, I downloaded some games. You know, you can
How
try this.
old?
Oh, this is good. Block Blast.
I just delete my block blast.
Why?
No, I got already a lot of learning things.
Yeah.
But I cannot show how I'll show my
Queen.
this one. I don't know how.
Maybe
I don't
because
know.
it is limited lang. It's okay.
Yeah, I got a lot. I'll tell you what I have. I have color by number. I got
Yeah.
Ingope.
What?
Kung Kingope.
Cooking gupe? Okay.
Yeah, and anyways, can I see?
The what? Can you see what?
The Pazu, I want to see what is the avatar of your character.
In where? Where?
You, did you have one or no?
Where?
Just download it because you don't have, I think.
Avatar World?
Yeah, Avatar World. And then create your own create your own what do you call it?
Avatar.
I Yeah, Avatar. This one, that's the new update.
This?
You miss Yeah, and then you miss all of them.
Oh.
And then
Okay.
search Toka Boca because there's a new update. It's Pipa.
Pipa. Toka Boka, oh. Oh. How about this? Obi.
I No.
Parkour.
You cannot play that.
Bakit?